Here comes a new challenger. Satechi has entered the mechanical keyboard space. This is the SM1 Slim Mechanical Keyboard. It features an aluminum enclosure, a plastic bottom, white and gray keycaps, keeping that clean and minimal aesthetic. Opening up the box, you get the keyboard itself, extra Windows keycaps, a user manual, a charging cable, and a 2.4 GHz USB receiver, which is cleverly attached at the bottom of the keyboard. You can adjust the board's height as you prefer through the adjustable feet, and you can connect it via Bluetooth, the USB receiver, or a wired connection. The backlight is nice, and it has 14 different patterns to choose from, and it may not be hot swappable, but it has brown switches for that good and satisfying tactile feel. It's compact, satisfying to type on, and it just looks so dang good. This is Satechi's first, and it's definitely a great package overall.